When you look at the lineup for the 2018 Grand Tsukemen Fest, a few shops really stand out. One of those is Idashoten. This shop is technically in Kanagawa, the prefecture just south of Tokyo. I say technically because it is in the city of Yugawara on the Izu Peninsula. That's over 90 minutes drive from central Tokyo, and even longer if you try and take a train. I thought about spending half a day showing you this spot to prepare you for the 2018 Grand Tsukemen Fest when I realized I'd already been, with my video camera. Last year I started a project called Ramen Rider. The plan was to ride my motorcycle to the best ramen shop in each prefecture. It was meant to be a showcase of amazing Japanese roads, off-the-beaten-path ramen, and an all-around adventure. Well, my computer crashed and almost all the files became corrupted. Oops! Luckily, there are a few salvaged bits. Here's what I have to say about Idashoten. Idashoten is champion-level ramen. They constantly rank as one of Japan's best, and the shop commonly has a 2 to 3 hour line. Well, the wait is worth it. Their shoyu ramen is deep and full of levels. Their shio ramen has a subtle impact, but their tsukemen is the one that, in my opinion, is next level. See that liquid that the noodles are sitting in? That's konbusui, a light broth made from kelp. It's a viscous umami bomb that should be tried at least once. Yes, it's quite slimy, almost at the level of lubricant, but it's like drinking pure MSG. That's a good thing. This year at the Grand Tsukemen Fest, Idashoten is serving what they call Nomitsu Torichintan to Nomitsu Konbusui no Tsukemen, mega dense chicken soup and mega dense kombu broth tsukemen. This one is going to attract some lines, so get there early. Idashoten will be at the event October 25th to 31st. That week in particular is going to be killer, with crowd favorites Tomita and Otodo also in attendance. I'll be there on Thursday the 25th, so come by and say hello if you can. If not, enjoy the event. It's from October 4th to October 31st, 2018. Thanks again to iVideo for hooking me up with this portable Wi-Fi unit. Sitting on the bullet train traveling 300 kilometers an hour, and I never lost my 4G signal. iVideo will ship a rental pocket Wi-Fi to your house before your trip, so you have it ready to go. The Japanese models have unlimited data, great for streaming all your favorite Ramen Adventures videos. Hey, check out the link in the description and use my offer code for a sweet discount.